Oh, hey, Paul.
What are we doing here?
You're wondering why I brought you to the Happy Farms meatpacking plant?
Yeah, I mean, I know that I told you that you could pick for the next random taste test whatever you wanted, but I just didn't expect to end up here. So what?
Well, there's a means to an end here.
Okay.
I wanted you to taste a product very close to where it's made.
Okay.
Today we're going to have a look at and a taste of Bacon Grill from Bristol.
That's the name of the company.
Bacon Grill Lunch Loaf.
I don't want to do this.
It's a meat-ish product. All right. It's made with chicken, ham, and bacon. See?
Yeah, I see.
Now, one great thing I think about this
Can't
product.
hear you. Can you speak up a little
I'm
bit?
very excited about this product because I think it's going to be really good because it only has 120 calories and only 90 of them come from fat.
This is important to you.
Seems healthy.
I don't think it is.
The label itself says fitting lifestyle. Now, I don't know what that means, but I feel like it's going to be not just good, but good for us.
Let me just hold this up really quick so that everybody can get a good look at that. Where did you get this?
Well, it's available all around the country in a boutique shop called the Dollar Tree.
Oh, I've heard of it. Now you understand that I am vegan and gluten-free,
That's okay.
so I don't know.
Well, let me just read you some of the ingredients that might put you at ease.
Okay.
For instance, this product is fully cooked and ready to eat, hot or cold. So
Great.
room temperature is right in between. The ingredients include mechanically separated chicken.
Oh, chicken. Okay.
So a machine tore the chickens apart.
Right.
After they're dead, I assume.
Probably.
It has water. It has ham, lots of salt,
Big surprise.
bacon. I'm not sure, in this stage what the difference between bacon and ham is, but, it not just has salt, but it also has sodium, sodium nitrate. It may contain sugar. Maybe they're not sure what falls into the pot.
We don't have to go through
A
all
bunch of
these.
other things that I can't pronounce, but that just means delicious.
Now, was this made here? Oh, I see all this going on right here.
Yeah, it was,
Okay.
well, I think the animals were butchered here. They may have been then shipped to another country, packaged here, then shipped back here.
But the whole mechanical separation, obviously.
Yeah, the chickens.
Okay, yeah.
That happens here, pretty sure.
Right.
I thought I heard some chickens earlier. Seemed a little upset. All right, I'm ready to do this if you are.
Unfortunately, I think I'm as ready as I'm ever going to be.
I really wanted to rush the production of this because we only have until 2022 for the product before it expires. Okay.
May 17th, 2022 is the expiration.
Well, you know it's fresh.
This is good for preppers.
Exactly. Yeah, I have a feeling it's probably okay even after that date. That's just the sell-by date. It's a recommendation. I'm gonna crack it open. It's kind of like a beer, like old 70s beer.
It's not going to make a satisfying sound, though.
Yeah. So if you're down in your bunker and you don't have one of the can opener, it's okay. They got you covered.
Right.
Thank you, Bristol. All right, here goes. Take a deep whiff. Oh, that's gonna be good. I can tell.
Oh no!
Look at that luncheon loaf. It's got a nice fleshy smell.
It smells like dog food.
Some dog food smells delicious. How are we gonna get this out?
I gotta be honest with you, all this going on right here does not make it appetizing. Here, let's hold on. First, let's show, since it's clearly not coming out, that's what we're dealing with right now.
It's meat.
I thought it was going to be in slices.
Well, we have to cut it ourselves.
Maybe
What do you want
just
for $1?
Pull it up. It's just one big thing?
Yes, it's basically like a roast.
Oh my god.
Can you see this? Can you hold the plate up for our, so everyone can see how we're gonna do it? Oh, luncheon loaf. So you know it's good. All one clean. There's no waste.
It's great.
Okay. Now I'm gonna slice off a piece for you. This would probably be good on some nice white bread
Yeah.
with some mayonnaise.
Real high class stuff here.
It basically is like a hot dog. Big old hot dog.
I think hot dogs are actually less gross than this.
Now this is your piece.
No.
That's mine.
No. I want half of that piece.
Here's a fork for you.
Okay.
You ready to taste this?
I'm
for
cutting,
the taste test?
No, I'm cutting mine in half. That's horrible. Hold it.
Got it. Oh god. This is gonna be delicious.
I don't know about that. Get your piece.
Trust me. 1, 2, 3. Have you ever bitten into a sponge? It's kind of like that.
It's very spongy. And salty.
Incredibly salty. Not horrible.
I mean, it's sort of like a mix between bologna and ham. I just got dizzy. Not joking.
Well, that's the ammonia fumes from the meat
from all this?
Yeah. Yeah, it's not good. So you want another bite?
No, I'm done.
You want to eat all of that?
No, I'm done. I don't know why you brought me here. I thought to myself, you know, it's going to be getting close to Thanksgiving here. Larry will pick something festive. We'll pick a nice Thanksgiving-themed item to taste test. This is not...
I feel like there's no reason that you couldn't eat this for Thanksgiving. It's easy to carve. It's like a giant turkey breast.
Yes, if you live in rural Oklahoma in a trailer, this is right up your alley. Everyone else on the planet, not so much. No offense to people in Oklahoma.
It's lunch loaf, but you don't have to have it just for lunch. You could have it for dinner. You could cook it. You could fry it with eggs. It's very similar to another product I've heard of called Spam.
Yeah, I don't know if I've ever had Spam, but it looks like Spam.
Well, it's very big in Hawaii, Spam. Luncheon Loaf is big in Ohio.
What do you give it out of 5 stars?
Ooh boy, is 5 the highest?
Yeah.
I would say easily 1.3.
I'm gonna go 0.5.
You're just...
Thank you for bringing me to this meat factory. Thank you for the Bacon Grill Luncheon Loaf.
Do you want to see the pigs before they cut them in half?
I'm good. I don't need the full tour. But thanks for it.
You're missing out.
And thank you guys for watching. I don't think I'm missing out. I'm gonna go. I think you should stay.
I'm gonna stay here and take the full tour.
Okay, have fun. Roast.